Ever feel like your browser's getting slower? Or you start seeing weird ads that seem to follow you around? It might be time to clear your browser history and cache. Here's how to do it safely. First, let's talk about what these actually are. Your browser history is a list of every site you've visited. Your cache stores temporary files to help pages load faster next time. And cookies are tiny bits of data websites use to remember things, like logins or items in your shopping cart. They're useful, but over time, they pile up, and that can slow things down or expose your activity. So let's clear them safely. If you're using Google Chrome, click the 3 dots in the top right corner. Go to Settings, then Privacy and Security, then Clear Browsing Data. Choose your time range, maybe the last 7 days or all time. Check the boxes for browsing history, cookies, and cached images and files. Then click Clear Data. Pro tip: if you want to stay logged into websites, uncheck cookies and other site data. If you're on Microsoft Edge or Firefox, the steps are nearly identical. Look for Privacy and Clear Data under Settings. When should you clear your browser history and cache? Whenever things start to feel slow. If a website isn't loading right, or anytime you're using a shared or public computer. That's it. It takes less than a minute, and your browser will thank you. If this helped, give it a like, and subscribe for more beginner-friendly tech tips every week.